What's good, everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling with me, AB. Now check it out. I know you done seen that thumbnail, you done read that title, and I'm back at you again with another one of them copycats, right? Today, I'm gonna show you guys just how easy it is to make. Look, this is just a crunchy double sandwich by Mickey D's.
And before we make it, we gotta taste it. Traditional double cheeseburger, right?
All right.
You got your pickles, you got your tiny onions. We'll build this up. This is high class YouTube quality content right here, people. Gourmet it up, get a little drizzle. Little money shot.
Little money shot, huh?
Brace yourself for a trademark money shot.
As you would say, looking good. Hey, I ain't gonna lie to you though. How many of y'all out there, let me know down in the comment section below, how many of you guys still eat at Mickey D's? Somebody eating there, I'm gonna tell you why, because there's one on every corner.
That's a fact.
Everybody talk about Mickey D's, man.
I like it. My wife, shout out to my wife, loves McDonald's.
That's what's up.
All right, now we need a knife so we can both dig into this.
Oh, let's do it. Hey, speaking of knife, there you go, man.
Where can you find one of these?
Oh, you know where they can find it at? Right down in the comment section below. And the #1 comment, you know, I always pin that there.
Hope my doctor's not watching this one. You ready for this?
That's it, huh? I mean, you know what? I eat the burger and always get a little 6-piece or, let me
See, I eat these separately.
Yeah, I get a 10-piece. You know what I'm saying?
Moment of truth. Cheers.
It ain't bad, bro.
It ain't bad.
It ain't bad.
I wanted to hate it, but I don't.
Right.
But I think we can do it better.
Let's get it. All right, nephew, so look, we just pulled out all the ingredients, right? So look, you gotta have 2 patties, right? So we got the beef, we got the bun. Now I ain't gonna lie, we can't replicate the bun that they have, and then I think we should like level it up, right?
Brioche is better, if we're being honest.
Hey, if you're being honest. So look, we got a brioche bun, we got some flour, and then look, I just put some miscellaneous stuff that I had, like seasoning, but where we gonna get our bite from, that's gonna be this AP. And who better else can talk about this AP but my nephew right here? Go ahead, do your thing.
So the all-purpose seasoning is low sodium. It's got salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder, a couple other spices. It's available on my website, which AB will be kind enough to link in the description box. Give it a try. They're 2 for $15 right now, so I'll leave the promo code with the uncle to throw it in the description box for you. So
no problem. Right, so go ahead and hit that. There you go.
There we go.
These nuggets will be way over the top. You know what they doing. I'm not trying to say we're gonna do something better, but we're gonna do something just like super flavorful. I don't want to say nothing bad about nobody, you know what I mean? Because I still love McDonald's, though, bro.
I do too, but hopefully we can fry chicken and make a cheeseburger. That's a little bit.
Right. Hey, then look, I'm gonna talk about these pickles right here. Okay, so when we took it, took it apart, we dissected it, you saw the pickles, you know what I mean? But look how thick these pickles are right here. These is bread and butter pickles. I want you guys to talk to us down in the comment section below and let us know, what you guys think about that. I know y'all eager to say, hey, I like deal, blah, blah, blah. But if you ain't never had bread and butter, I don't care what brand it is, these right here are the best pickles on the planet. Now, let's talk about the cheese, man. You could use cheese of your choice. For me, just thinking about Mickey D's, I went ahead and
keep it authentic.
Hey, we just roll with that.
All right, so we got some chicken breast that we're gonna chop up into whatever size or shapes you wanna go with. Make sure it can fit on the burger that we're gonna make here. We're gonna season it a little bit with this all-purpose seasoning. You can use whatever all-purpose seasoning you have at your house, or just hit it with a little salt and pepper. I'm gonna get in there with my hand and really work that seasoning in. Make sure the chicken is evenly coated in the seasoning, and we seasoned our flour as well. So we got a fully seasoned piece of chicken that's gonna hit that cheeseburger.
Bingo, I just mixed this up and got that going. You already touched on the part about it being key. You gotta season your flour too.
Yep.
You season your chicken, you let that sit up a little bit, let that marinate, and let that AP soak into the meat. That's what it is when people want to know why. If you guys are just getting your meat and you just seasoning and then going right into a pot or cooking it right there, it's not gonna be the best. You gotta at least give it 5 to 10 minutes, just to get in there. Now we're gonna talk about these patties, right? I'm just gonna go ahead and make a ball like this, and I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna use your AP because it's great. We cook with it all the time.
All right, so we're gonna knock off any excess egg. So we did add an egg to this just to help the flour adhere to the chicken. Get in there with the hand, make sure there's no bald spots. Work in that flour like so. Knock off any excess and let it hang out on that paper plate until it's time to hit the 350-degree oil.
Right. Okay, so look, while you're doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and take these patties, right? So I got the ball, I'm gonna go ahead and just give it, I just take my palm just to get it going. I don't wanna make it super smash, And we know it's gonna spread a little bit. So I'm just gonna make it look halfway pretty.
Get the chicken breaded. I like to let mine hang out on a plate for like 10 minutes while the oil heats up. That gives the flour time to adhere to the chicken, and it allows the chicken, when it comes fresh out the fridge, you want it to kind of come up to room temperature a little bit so it cooks more evenly. When it's ice cold, you don't want to just throw it right in the grease when it's ice cold.
Now, I'm gonna use for the seasoning, I like to use just a little bit of salt and pepper, but you know what? Today I've been blessed enough to have that what?
All-purpose seasoning,
There you
right
go.
to your left.
That's right. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit that. First, we're gonna go ahead and get this. Let's get some oil up to temp, and let's go from there.
All right, so we got our oil up to 350 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and drop this chicken into it. You use whatever oil you like, canola oil, vegetable oil, peanut oil. Always lay the meat away from you so you avoid splatter. You don't wanna burn your forearms.
I'm just gonna go ahead and season and let this have a chance to just marinate in there.
These aren't gonna take long to cook. Probably 4, maybe 5 minutes max. Get a nice golden brown. You want the chicken to be about 165 degrees internal temperature. And then we're gonna let it drain while we cook the burgers and assemble the sandwich. All right, so it's been about 4 or 5 minutes. As you can see, the chicken's getting a beautiful golden brown color.
Nice.
We're gonna probe it with a thermometer, make sure it's 165 degrees. And it'll be time to assemble the secret. It's on the secret menu, right?
Well,
I guess it's not a secret
ain't
anymore.
no secret menu now. The chicken nuggets came out great, bro. Hey, so you know what? I'm gonna just take a little bit of that oil right there. I know that we
Burger
got,
time.
yeah, it's burger time, but I still like to just start off like this. And using these hexaclad, pans. Look, it's non-stick, but I still like to put a little something down there anyway.
Gordon Ramsay calls these the Rolls Royce of cookware, I believe.
He might own half of it. Like, I don't see him really get down with things like that.
Right.
And he doubled down with it too. Hey, it sold me.
It's legit.
It's
though.
legit. It's legit. Hey, so with that being said, look, I'm just gonna move this around. It doesn't have to be spread all over the place. You know what? I start off with a little medium heat. You know what I mean? Then I'm gonna just go ahead. You can put the next one on, man. I'm gonna just put it on here like that. And just put it on there. Now you guys see, I don't flip it over. I didn't put no seasoning on the other side because I'm gonna just cook it like this. Then I'm gonna flip it over and then we're gonna finish it up that way. And then when we get done, I think we should like level up. I like to take my brioche bun and I like to toast it, right? But I'm gonna toast mine with a little mayo. Because what we doing is we just building a whole lot of flavor in this one thing right here, and we gonna see if we can't put our spot next to McDonald's.
I'm looking forward to it.
That's right. Okay, so look, now I'm gonna go ahead and just put this piece of cheese on here like this. You know what I mean? Just let this melt down just a little bit. And I'm gonna let the residual heat, finish it up. I just want to let it cook. Once I start seeing it drop down, then we just gonna go ahead and put it on there. You know why? I'm smiling right now because this. Check it out. Why don't you get that mayo, homie? Let's put a little toast on this.
Absolutely. That's the beauty of the American cheese too, right? It just melts a little easier.
Right.
And that's what they use at McDonald's.
There you go. I'm gonna go ahead, I got to do the mayo, right? For those of you guys down there in the comments or watching this video that don't know, comment and let me know if you know about putting that mayo on that bun. You know what I mean? You probably done already had it and didn't even know it, especially if you ate it at a hamburger stand.
Right.
But this right here is the way to go. Level it up even more. We could have fried that patty and that mustard too.
And for those of you guys that don't like mayonnaise, you can use butter. I love mayonnaise.
Right. So nephew, that's what I'm talking about right there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Let me bring this up here like that. Oh, and it's nice and hot and it's still soft, folks. You see that? Ooh, look at that right there. Hey, now's the time, the moment of truth.
You want any additional toppings?
Hey, yeah, I do. You know what? If you guys don't have this, look, I might as well just plug myself. A lot of you guys are buying it. You know what? I want to say, hey, thank you for that. But this right here is what takes you over the top. Buy it, check it out. When you get it, come back and let me know. You can look at any of my barbecue videos. You can look at the comments. You can see that everybody likes it, right? So I'm gonna just go ahead and just put a little bit.
I like it. I'm still waiting on another care package to hit. Go ahead and spread the barbecue sauce on there.
No, that's it right there. Nice thick. I can smell it, man. Ooh. All right, look, I'm gonna go in and get in with my hands. You know what I mean?
As you
I like to get in here like this.
Perfectly cooked double patty.
Oh yeah. There we go.
Throw a couple pickles on there like they had. I think they had the pickles and then the chicken.
Yes,
if I'm
sir.
not mistaken.
Yes, sir. You right.
And we'll throw a couple pieces of that perfectly fried chicken right on top.
Hey, you did a good job with that chicken though, man.
Make sure I want the flat side down.
Flat side down.
Think two?
I mean, yeah, that'll really do it. You know what? Hey,
I said we hit it with a little bit more.
Yeah, I was just about to say, I probably would put a little bit more of that
Brace
on the
yourself
top.
for a trademark money shot.
Oh, yeah.
Gotta get in here close for that one. Oh, man. There we go.
I'm gonna go ahead and put this right here on top like that.
There you have it.
Oh. Hey, bro. I don't know. Are we making a food video? You know what I mean? All this and heavy breathing and all that. That's where it's at right there, folks. Hey, look, I'm not gonna over talk it. We finna get this cut and we finna take a piece. Over the truth. Hey, you know what? For once in my life, I'm speechless. You know it's gonna be fire because you can smell everything, but the barbecue sauce right there sets it off. So I see what you're doing. I heard, hey, either you just went through a pickle or you went through the crust on the edge of the bun. But either way, a
little bit of both.
Oh, look at that right there.
Juicy burger. Oh,
look
man.
at that.
Cheers.
Cheers, bro.
Oh, man. It don't get better than that.
No, sir.
Just don't go get your blood work done after you eat this. That bread and butter pickle.
Everything about it, bro. That's what I'm talking about, nephew.
Yes, sir.
Hey, you know what, man? Hey, I think this would be great if me and you did the copycat thing. You know, I think we should just like make it a series. You know what I mean? Go all over.
Let's do it.
Hey, I want you guys to let me know down in the comment section below. Hey, if you'd like to see nephew and big aunt, you know, do something like that. I gotta say it like that, bro. You know who I am. Hey, with that being said, listen, I just want to give McDonald's a high five, you know what I mean, just for coming up with the idea. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it over to my nephew, let him say what he gotta say, and then we finna just wrap this up.
Yeah, I appreciate the opportunity to come back and be on the channel. Always nice to be in sunny California, make some good food, get opportunity to tell people about the all-purpose seasoning. It's a blend of salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder, low sodium. You can grab it on the website. I'm not gonna over talk it. Another great episode. Let us know if you want to see more of these copycat recipes. We'll make it a series on both of our channels. Speaking of both of our channels, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button on my channel as well. And I appreciate you letting me come back and hang out with you.
It's all good, nephew. Hey, that's what's up. Hey, now check this out. Now, if you're new to my channel, let me just say this. Hey, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a comment. I want you to smash that like button, hit that subscribe, and I want you guys to tell everybody, listen, it's 2 channels out here that's simplifying these recipes and taking the mystery out of cooking. And with that being said, nephew, we out. Peace.